Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, one last experiment tonight with the Lionel 50 gang car. And I've got the portable controller connected to the rail. So we're going to run this on DC and see how it runs. See if I can get this in focus here. We go. As you see, that runs really well. Get a bit faster. So, running on the portable controller. Really simple, but it sure does work. There's no doubt about that. As you see. Anyway, just one more video for tonight. I figure, well, I've got the gang car running this well, might as well do some serious experiments with it, see what it can do. Anyway, probably all for tonight, but I wanted to run this real quick on this DC portable controller. This thing works. Like I said, I wish I had built it earlier. It'd be absolutely perfect for testing locomotives on the bench. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.